Contempt. This is the word that comes to mind when I think of how you treat those around you, and especially the American people. You've no respect for anyone other than your chosen few. This is especially true as I think of those often referred to as the little man, those at the bottom of the food chain. I'm sure in your mind there is a reason they're at the bottom and have not moved up. It is obviously their ineptitude which has kept them down. If they were as skilled as you are, then they would have achieved great success. They are to be pitied, but not taken into account when making world-changing decisions. They really don't count. In your mind, it would seem that if you're not a titan of industry, a man of means, then you really are nothing. I use the term man on purpose because I'm not sure you have any respect for women. They, too, are just instruments to be used and discarded when something better comes along. For all your vaulted rhetoric supporting the common Joe, I'm not sure that you have a very high regard for the average worker. In fact, I'm not sure that you've ever had a meaningful conversation with any of them. Of course, you may not have had a meaningful conversation with anyone other than yourself, given your egotistical personality. This is too bad, because in spite of your confidence in the billionaires with whom you have surrounded yourself, it is the average Jane and Joe, the common man and woman, who have made this country great. Yes, the history books only highlight the lives of the great titans of the past, but they would not have achieved anything if it had not been for the back-breaking, mind-numbing blood, sweat, and tears of the millions of common workers who have put this country on the map. Think about them the next time you make a decision. See how your tirades affect them. Look into how your decrees change their lives and make them harder. Walk in their shoes, or at least for a moment, so that you can begin to understand the sacrifice that have taken place to allow you to live the life of comfort and privilege you flaunt so carelessly.